So for this video, we are going to learn how to draw simple lines and maybe draw a few shapes using straight and also polylines. So there are two options at your top left corner. First, you have a straight line option. Just click that and you can simply draw any straight lines however you want it. So next are polylines. So basically the difference of polylines and lines are individual characters. So if you made a connected line using only the line option, you are actually creating individual lines. For polylines, if you chose that option and create the same shape as so, you are actually creating one whole line when you select them. Okay, so those are for lines and also polylines. So if we look down here, there are many kinds of options. You have the spline option, you have the construction line option, you have the rays, multiple points, and so on. So for new users, it's better to just stick with the lines, polylines, and also the splines. So for the splines, you have a spline fit and also a spline CV. Both are gradually the same, but let's just choose spline CV. Just for curiosity. So just draw any line. So as you can see, the spline creates a curvature for your line. Let's just set that curve here. You can create multiple curves. So for example, you'd like to do a graph. You can use the spline option to do that. So if you want to end the spline, just press enter. And then you have your own spline line, a curved line. So these dots are for you to control. You can move them anywhere you want, depending on your preference. Okay, so that's all for today's video. So I hope you are able to familiarize on how to draw lines, polylines, and also spline lines. Thanks for watching.